Alright guys, so here we are on Udemy and I'm just going to show you how to upload a course. So we're just going to go up to instructor at the top and then we're just going to go new course, click on course, continue. So this is what I'm going to name my course, how do you train your Labrador Retriever puppy. And I also use TubeBuddy and keywordtool.io, just had a look on the internet for people what they're actually searching, and so this is the title that I came up with. Hopefully it helps with people finding the course, but I will be driving traffic from my dog's Instagram as well. So it just asked me to choose a category here. I wasn't sure which one to go, so I just had a quick look at what everyone else has their dog training ones under, and it turns out it's lifestyle, pet care and training, so it'll be under there, dog training. So that's what we'll do as well. So we'll go lifestyle. I don't think this matters because I've already updated the course. Now, when it comes to the descriptions, I'm just going to go and look at a lot of the other popular dog courses on here and just check out their descriptions and then just write a similar one really. So write my own version of it, and that's pretty much going to be the go-to. So if someone else has a good selling course, I'm going to see what they've got as their description. I'm going to make my own version of it and hopefully that helps it sell. Alright guys, so I've just updated my description here. Learn how to house train your dog, walk on leash, go to toilet, puppy proof your house, chewing and more. This course has no prerequisites. This course is suitable for first time pet owners, dog trainers and anyone interested in having a well trained dog. So then to move on to the next part, after you've filled this out, you just have to come up here and click save and then you go down to the next one. So this has the requirements here. Your course has at least 5 lectures. All lectures add up to at least 30 plus minutes of total video. Your course is composed of valuable educational content. So it kind of goes through here and teaches you as you go. So you could actually create a course while you're going through this and just keep saving as a draft and then eventually upload. What I've done though is created the whole course, so I'm just ready to upload it all. I've been through all this stuff. It's just telling you that you need to be filming and exporting in HD. Audio should be good, things, basic things like that. Next it comes up with the curriculum. Alright guys, so when it comes to uploading videos, this part was a little bit confusing for me, but I've got the hang of it now, as you can see. And so what happens is it starts off with the introduction here, and then you've got to add a section. So I'll just show you with the next video that I do down here. So we'll just go that. Alright, so this pops up here. You can't even see that, so it's quite confusing for anyone who's watching this video looking how to do it. You click on that and then you add a new section. I don't know what the video is called because it's going to be the same title as the video that I'm posting. So for now I'll just put a 3 in there, go add section. And then there's another one that pops up here, so different to this one, which would be a new section. Click on that, and lecture is going to be your video. Obviously there's other things you can do. Lecture, then we'll just put another 3 for now. Now you can add the content. So it's kind of confusing how they've done that. I think it's silly because you can't actually go through these 2 parts without putting something in there. So we'll just put in content, go video, and then I've already used the bulk uploader to upload all my videos. Otherwise you'd select the video. But the bulk uploader, just so you know, is just up here. And I selected all the videos that I wanted to post and then just uploaded them. It took probably about an hour or more, and then they're all in the library here now. So these are all the dog training ones. So let's just select one and you guys can follow along. What did I want next? You can move all these, like once you've got the sections in there, you can move them all around, but I'm trying to do them all in a line the way that I had filmed them. Would be introducing toilet training, so we'll go that and select it. So that's going to upload it there. So then I want to change this because I know what the section's called now. So I'll go and call it introducing toilet training. Go save, and then also rename the section to the same thing. So one good thing that they do here is I know that this is that section now. I can actually preview it as the student, and then you can see all of them in a row here. So it actually comes out perfectly just like I want it to be. So introduction is introduction video, dog chewing up and puppy proofing the house, then the video, and so on and so on. And then this one down here is obviously introducing toilet training. So I thought I'd definitely go over that part because I found it quite confusing on how you actually upload the videos and how you name the sections, etc. But Best advice would be bulk uploader. Just let it upload and leave your computer open so you get all the videos while you go and make breakfast or do something else, and then come back and you can just add from library like I did. Alright, so I've pretty much went through and finished off the rest of the course. So as you can see, it is, how many have I got here total? There's 24 different lectures here. That bottom one's just bonus dog tricks of one of my dogs. And then we've got a resources section here, which just has a heap of PDF files and some PowerPoint presentations. So I've finished that. The next thing we've got on the left here is pricing. So this was an interesting one for me. So when I went through and priced it here, we've done it at $39.99. Tier 4, I'm not sure what the tiers all mean. They have this random spreadsheet that pops up. And then yeah, it's got $39.99 on tier 4 here. So I assume the more you sell, the higher you can price your course. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So anyway, we've just saved it on that. So that's the highest that I can price it at the moment, which seems weird, but that is actually using Udemy's marketing. So when I went through and saved my PayPal address, things like that, I ticked that I wanted to be part of their marketing, because then they're obviously going to market it to the millions of people on Udemy. So that's going to be handy. And really, this is just a bit of a test, this course for me, because I want to see how Udemy works. And also it's going to be content for my YouTube channel so we can see how it works for all you guys that want to learn. So this one here, promotions tab, it comes up with your referral links. So when people use your actual coupon, you get 90%, 97% of the revenue share. So it's a lot better. And that's, you know, what you want to do. So my dog's Instagram, I'll obviously have that link so people will buy through that link, and hopefully that'll make me more sales. So course messages, you can have a welcome message that goes out and a congratulations message. This is actually optional, so I just didn't bother doing that. And then it's got a course feedback one down here, but obviously I don't have any course feedback. But that pretty much is how you upload your course. So the hardest part really was the curriculum part. Just so you're aware with that, how to do it, you got to set the section, and then you've got to have a lecture, and you just clip in these to add to them. So if I wanted to add another one, you just click on that. It shows down here. And then you can also preview your whole course. So if we just go preview up here as student, we can see the whole course down to the right here. And then if you click on the resources part, then it has the resources down here. So it doesn't look too bad. The description, sorry, I didn't mention that. The description has to be 200 characters long, or 200 words, maybe it was. 200 words, I reckon. And you have to fill out your profile on here as well. So that was something else that I had to do. That pretty much sums up how to upload your course to Udemy. So anyone who's a Udemy instructor, this is how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like for me. There will be more videos like this coming up about how this Udemy course performs and just all the things that I learn about it, so I can post them on the channel and you guys can learn as well. But yeah, please give it a like for me. Please comment down below any questions you have about this. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.